Hi, Sean Hess here with Hess Motorsports. Today we're going to install our rear sway bar links on the CanAm X3. Blake's going to actually install it. Here you go, Blake. You're going to start by removing the lower sway bar link bolt. Using a 21mm wrench, hold the back up on the upper sway bar link and take your 18mm socket and remove it as well. Keep the factory hardware for this, as you will be reusing it. So once you install your misalignment spacers, use the original OEM bolt to install it in the bottom. Down. Using the supplied hardware, the bolt, install it through the upper using the OEM nut and replace the bottom, or utilize the bottom bolt that was the factory bolt. And go ahead and retighten everything. And repeat on the other side, and you're good to go.